Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to combine voice memos on Android. If you want to combine voice memos on your Android phone, so let's see how we can do this. You just need a third-party application for this purpose. Just open your Play Store app and here go to search bar and you just have to search for merge audio. Just search for it and then you need to install this application. Just tap on install and then it will be installed on your phone. Now we have to wait for installation. After the installation, you just have to open the app, tap on open and it will be open in your phone. Now you just have to grant some permissions to this app and here select the files and files. I'm going to select this one and then tap on add and then select this one then tap on merge and here you have to select your customize your merge and then tap on continue then tab and then here you have to rename as I'm going to rename is at merged file then tab on done and then it will be merged or combined voice memos or audio files on Android. So after that you just have to close the ad, just tap on close and here you can see I have easily merged the file. Now you can share it. So that's how you can easily combine voice memos on Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.